SMT Nation, we back. Nation, we got updates out of Boost Mobile, kind of a follow-up to the systems outage that has been plaguing the company and their operations for the last couple of days. Let me give you guys all the details, what I know. Things seem to be up and running, and that's a good thing. But let me give you some more details. Let me start off by saying this. There were some reports from some folks saying that everything at Boost Mobile is fine. It definitely was not. There were several issues that were plaguing dealers, agents, and the company's, corporate, I don't know, it was like, people trying to take payments, make activations, like all those types of business operations for a wireless carrier, they were all not working. And to say otherwise is just not accurate. I know some folks were saying that, that I was making stuff up. I'm not sure what makes you think I would make something up about a wireless provider. I'm trying to give people news and updates as to what's happening so they understand what's going on. So I did receive confirmation from several internal sources on the matter. So it was definitely confirmed that, executives, senior level employees knew about all these problems. In fact, some employees were even sent home. Workers were sent home and paid for the day because they were not able to access systems and help with anything. So, that is all confirmed. Now, as of right now, it appears at some point yesterday in the late afternoon, I believe, that Boost systems have been restored. Everything seems to be working. For a while, initially, things were pretty slow. Probably a flood of activation attempts and other system access, backlogs and things like that. But support gained access. Online customer transactions were working. And of course, if they're all trying to do it at once, that would make sense why it would be kind of slow. But it looks like everything is back up and running. Everything working fine. And, customers can do what they got to do. Dealers can access the systems they need and can make all the transactions happen. I don't really have an answer for you with respect to what happened, though. I don't know. But I think what's kind of alarming is after seeing what happened last year with the ransomware attack and the cybersecurity issue, what all that was, you would think that there would be some very, very serious, careful thoughts and considerations for redundancy to prevent anything from happening again like that in the future. And I think the fact that this lasted well over, a 24 or even up to maybe a 48-hour time period, it's kind of concerning. I had personal friends who are within this industry that work within this company, and they obviously it affects their earning. So we don't like to see these types of things happen to these companies because it impacts the people that work for them. Here at the SMT Nation, we are a consumer advocate based channel. We try to give customers of the industry good information. We also support the folks that work within it, right? So this is not slander. This is not an attempt to smear anything or sling mud at this company. We're simply reporting the things that are going on. And if some folks out there are unable to be mature enough to handle that, I don't know if you're a Dish investor. I'm not sure what your angle is. See, I don't have a narrative to push, and I don't have an angle. It doesn't benefit me in any way, whether these companies do good or bad. I don't care. So just please understand the position. This channel's mission is to inform. That's all. Anyways, tell me what you think of all this. Please do like and share this video. Subscribe if you're new here, and turn on the bell notifications icon to never miss an upload. We out.